Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we will look how runtime error comes to CODECHEF. You can see that I already write this code. If we try to run this code on custom input, let's see. As you can see, it is successfully executed without any runtime error or NGEC. But if we remove this custom input and run, as you can see, we got a runtime error NGEC. But this is actually not an error, it is an exception which generally comes when we write code in Java in CODECHEF. To remove this, we can use try catch block. We just have to wrap our code in try and catch. Before taking the test cases, we write try and we cut our code and paste it in try block. With try we always use catch to catch an exception. We can leave it blank as we just want to remove our runtime error. As you can see, we do not get any exception or NGEC exception. Our code successfully executed. Now let's submit our code. Our code successfully submitted. Thank you for watching.